What's up YouTube, it's your boy once again Doctor, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I just want to welcome you to the YouTube channel. It's still me, your host again, Doctor. So today we'll be dealing with some trading strategy which is actually simple to understand. Even a 10 years old kid could understand this simple strategy. It's basically the ultimate 4-hour trading strategy. How to trade like a pro. Imagine you knowing how to trade like a professional, and it's just basically on the 4-hour time frame. Believe me guys, you don't really need to go to higher time frame or going to the monthly, the weekly. I didn't say going to monthly or weekly, it doesn't make sense. It makes sense actually, but this is just a simple strategy that you will be using to making a whole lot of pips. Believe me guys. So the 4-hour trading strategy is, let me explain how the 4-hour time frame works. The 4-hour time frames, it works really simple and very understandable. What do you need to know first? Let me delete this my drawings. Sorry guys, let me delete it. I think in my previous video I showed you my trade on gold, if I'm not mistaken. So the 4-hour time frame rather is a very strong time frame for intraday trends. In order to mark trends, you don't really need to go to the weekly, the daily, the monthly. You literally, if you want to go, you can actually go to the weekly and see what the weekly is doing. Actually, as you can see on the weekly time frame, what is the weekly doing? Is trending to the upside. And what do we need to do? Just go to your 4-hour time frame. But me being a pro, what I'm saying, I could actually go to the 4H time frame and literally know everything I need to know, because it's just a simple trading strategy. So the 4-hour time frame, I hope you really know how these 4-hour candles are being formed, because this 4-hour candle is formed based off a 4-hour time. As you can see, this candle, it forms for a period of 4 hours. That's why it's basically the 4-hour time frame. Imagine you basing your trade on 4-hour candles. This is very strong. The 4-hour time frame is like, let me say, a competition between the buyers and the seller. And if you see a bearish candle, let me use this bullish one. If you see a bullish candle, which means the buyers and the seller actually fought for a whole 4 hours. And imagine you winning for 4 hours. There's still an higher tendency that you're still going to be moving to the upside. Imagine the buyers winning a fight of 4-hour time frame, which means that's a very long hour fight for intraday trends. Let me remind you, intraday. So for a 4-hour time frame, you can actually base off everything you need to know about the market. And then, what do we really need to do? We need to, first of all, after going to the 4-hour time frame, what do we need to do? We need to identify the trends, because the trend is literally your friend. You need to follow the flow of the river. What can we see on this 4-hour time frame? This market is literally going to the upside. You don't need any indicator to tell you that this is going to the upside. I don't trade indicators because I'm more advanced than that. This is just a basic market structure. What do we see this market is doing? It's going to the upside. As you can see the trend. Even a 5-year-old child could know this thing is literally going to the upside. You can see it's going where? Up. So what do we need to look for? We look for buys, because we need to understand where the market is trending and where the market is not trending. If you see the market giving us series of higher high and higher low, because as you can see here, we have an higher high here, higher low, higher high here, higher low. We're having another higher high. What do we need to expect? We need to expect an higher low, guys. This is just a simple market structure. And if you are coming to the downside, what do we expect? Lower high, lower low. Oh, my drawing is messing up. I'm really sorry, guys. So we have a lower low. What do we expect? Lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So this is how it works, guys. This is how it works. So after going to the 4-hour time frame, what do you need to look for? You need for the trend. Where is the market going? Where is the market direction? Once you identify that, you need to find a trade setup. As you can see, the market is going to the upside. We need to find a structural level. As you can see, this is an upward movement. This is an uptrend. What do we need to look for? We need to look for the lower and then we wait for what? A trade on there, and then we pick the what? We pick the trade. This will be my level of interest right now. So I'll be looking to buy whenever the market comes to this level. I'll be looking to buy right on this spot. So this is just the basic, the ultimate 4-hour trading strategy. You trade like a professional, bro. So this is just mark the market structures on the 4H. This is all you need. This is it. This is it, guys. That's it. Just mark it. Oh, sorry, guys. Just mark it. We have this level here. We have this one here as well. And you need to understand the market pattern. You need to understand the chart pattern. Don't worry, I'll be making another video in understanding chart pattern, but today is just for the market. This is a level. This is a level here. Imagine you having multiple trades entry on just one single pair. If you check my weekly forex forecast, what month is this? Is it January? I was on this trade and I held this trade for the whole month. I think I get out somewhere, I think, until I see this head and shoulder pattern, and I was like, here we go again. I just have to back off, you know what I'm saying, until I know this even head and shoulder doesn't even tends to play out. I think I get out somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around there. Once I see this head and shoulder, or like, bro, I need to get the fuck out, you know what I'm saying. So I held this trade from here, and this is a simple market structure trading. Just a 4-hour. You only need the 4-hour. You don't need to look for anything else. Just the 4-hour time frame. This is it, guys. Just the 4-hour. And what this strategy comes with a lot of patience. You really need to patience. And one thing I need to tell you is always wait. Always wait for a candle closure. Don't just jump. Since you know the market is up and you started looking for, you can't just buy at any point in time. You need to wait for a structural level to be filled, either a lower low or a lower high, irrespective of what it might be. You need to wait for the market to show you signs. Like right now, I can't pick a trade. I need to wait for the market to come down here, and then I pick the trade. So let's check other pairs. Let's check other pair. Chef JPY. Let me see. Well, okay. On Chef JPY, as you can see, this is my analysis on Chef JPY, because I already had my level. I was waiting for a retracement. See, you don't really need to go to, okay, let me do normal doings, you know what I'm saying, normal doings. Go to the 4-inch time frame. What is the trend? Even a blind man can see this thing is coming down. I was literally joking. A blind man can see. So as you can see, a 5-year-old kid, if you are, where is this thing running to? This is coming down. So what do you need to do? You look for sales, bro. You look for sales. So you're looking for sales. Imagine. I think this. I didn't enter this trade right on this point, because I think I had this is an area of interest. Maybe I would have entered this, because I recently had this pair. I recently had it. So this is it. This is my second entry. I was looking for the market to pull back to this area, but I didn't see it. I was waiting for, but unfortunately, then I saw another one. You really need to understand the market trends. This is a level here. These are the things I will teach you if you come to the Forex 101. We have a mentorship class, or we will teach you everything you need to know. Everything, literally everything you need to know about trading. This is it, guys. So right now, I could actually pick a sell, but I'm somehow skeptical about it, because my area of interest was here. But if I want to be more aggressive, I could actually pick an entry right there. But I don't want to be too aggressive. You know what I'm saying? So I just have to be patient. So on this trade, I will literally be doing nothing. All I want to wait for now is if I could see this level being broken. I want to see this level broken and then a retracement. So let's check one more pairs. Let's check one more SZD card. I think I had an entry SZD card. So SZD card, I've been shorting SZD card right on this point, and then I saw retracement. This trade you are saying is risk free, even though if it hits my break even, this is going to hit my break even, not even a stop loss, because I already break even on both entries. This was my first entry and this was my second entry. So that's that, guys. Let's check one more. Let me analyze one more. Which one do you want me to analyze? GU. Yeah, let's check GU. GU has been doing somehow. GU is not. It's actually, as you can see, GU right now. GU is doing somehow. It's looking like it's coming to the downside, and right on this point, it looks like it's what it wants to go to the upside. So I stay off this kind of market. And going into details, you can see it's coming down. So all I want to see on GU is a break below, push back, and then drop. So let's check. Let me give you one more. Let's check. I want to check a pair that is not on my list. Okay, US30. Let's just check US30 or S&P 500 and US30. US30. Yo. So on US30, I don't even know. I have already analyzed this. As you can see on US30, this is a trade which has presented itself. As you can see, we have a change in trend. This is a market structure shift. This is a market structure shift, as you can see. But let's check something else. Let's say this one is not what we are here for today. This one is not what we are here for today. Let me think of a pair. S&P 5. Yeah, I said S&P 500 earlier. As you can see, this one. As you can see, it's going up. But right now, that's why I said I will make a video on market patterns, on the chart patterns. So we have a double top right there. That's a change. You need to know what we call market shift. So this is a market shift happening right there. But we are not here for that today. Let's check S&P 500. All you need to look for is a trending market, either a trend to the downside or to the upside. And if it's moving sideways, I'll just advise you to stay out of the market. So let's check S&P 500. I think those kind of be a trend most of times. The trend. So let's check. This is not what I would love to invest in. I'm sorry. Let me check some of my peers. Which one of them is trend? I think I had ADGPY. I think ADGPY has shift in structure. Yes. I'm looking for a pair that is trending right now, because most of the pairs are doing somehow, and my strategy works when the market is trending. So I steer when the market, and I know what to do when the market is not trending and when it's about to shift. So I'm looking for a pair, guys. Which one is trending right now? Okay, let's use gold. Let's just use gold. I will use gold. I think I've explained gold. Honestly, I don't even know. And gold is the one that trends most. I hope you really understand this, guys. I hope you understand. So it's just the 4-hour trading strategy. And these are, I think I also have a trade running on USD JPY, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. We can see this market has been come to the downside, and then we had this level. And this level has been taken out, so I picked a buy. I'm hoping for the best. So that's just that. Let me think of other pair to check. So I think that's just all, guys. And I will urge you all to try this trading strategy. Honestly, you are going to be making a whole lot of pips. You know what I'm saying? Because this is basically how I trade. And if you are looking for setting the stop loss, you have to put the stop loss below the range. Okay, let me give you an example on setting stop losses on this. Imagine me picking a trade. Let me use this one. I think this is the best picture. Imagine me getting on a trade right there. How do I set my stop loss? Pick on the long position. This is an entry candle. I entered here. Where do you think my stop loss will come? My stop loss always comes. I normally use the candle that break above it, but based on this one, I'll have to put my stop loss here, and I'll be catching what? Let's say I understand the market pattern. I know I will have back off somewhere around here. Seeing the market break below, and this is what? It's almost 1 to 4. This is 2.3 now. You're making money, guys. You're making money. So that's just that about that. And this is another entry right there. I entered based on that spot, which I just closed this week. So if I this is a perfect picture. If I enter the long position right there, stop loss needs to come below here. Initially it was here it needs to come, but seeing this candle can be wicked out, and seeing this, I'll have to bring my stop loss here or below here a bit, and then stretch my, I think I catch almost 1 to 4 on this trade, almost 1 to 4 point something. No, I think it's 1 to 5. Yeah, 1 to 5 or somewhere around here, I think. And I just back off. So waiting for other entry on this. So guys, I will urge you all to try this strategy, and please do well to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll be sharing more educational content. And this strategy, don't over risk. I will advise to risk 0.5% of your account or 1%. So I encourage you all to test this strategy and subscribe for more price action content, because I'm a price action trader. So basically, all you need is a 4-hour time frame, guys. Believe me. I could have showed you a lot of examples, but the market is currently not in good position right now. I just feel like let me make this video in order to enlighten you and to enrich your brains, you know what I'm saying? So bye guys, but make sure you try this out, and if you have any questions, you can do well to drop it in the comment section. God bless you.